In this video, you'll learn how to effectively promote your listings on eBay. By following these steps, you will increase the visibility of your products and potentially boost your sales. Begin by accessing your eBay account and navigating to the listing editor. Once you are in the editor, look for the option labeled Promotion before you publish your listing. This is typically located in the section where you configure your listing details. After locating the promotion option, click on it to proceed. You will see different types of promoted listings available in your account. Choose the appropriate type that fits your needs. After selecting the listing type, you need to set an ad rate percentage. This percentage should be competitive, so take a moment to assess what competitors are offering. Once you have determined your rate, review the estimated reach that is displayed. This information will help you understand how many potential buyers your promotion might reach. After confirming your promotion settings, your listing will be activated for promotion. This step is crucial as it increases the exposure of your product to potential buyers on eBay. Next, optimize your campaign by comparing the suggested ad rate with those of your competitors. If you notice that your impressions are low, consider adjusting your rate accordingly. After activation, monitor the click data closely to evaluate the performance of your promoted listing. Testing different ad rates can significantly impact your listing's performance. If some listings are not performing well, you have the option to pause them. This optimization process enhances the efficiency of your advertising efforts. It is important to regularly review campaign analytics to track your progress. Compare the sales generated from promoted listings against organic sales to gauge effectiveness. To ensure profitability, calculate the profit you make after accounting for the ad costs. If you find that your strategy is not yielding the desired results, be prepared to adjust your approach. Continue testing variations in your campaigns to find what works best for your listings. By staying on top of your tracking, you can make informed decisions that lead to better sales outcomes. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.